everyone, and welcome back to the series where we solve data problems in both SQL and Pandas. Today's challenge is to find the patients who have type 1 diabetes. And type 1 diabetes always starts with DIAB1 prefix. For example, you have a table of patients and you return only the rows where you can find the prefix. In SQL, you type the select statement. Since we need to return all columns from the patients table, we write the star symbol from table patients. Now we have to write the condition. In the where clause, we need the column conditions to be like, we copy the prefix, and here's the trick. If you put nothing in the beginning, it means that you want the condition column to start with the prefix, like in here. In the end, you can allow any character possible. Therefore, you type the %. Another option is that the prefix is inside or in the middle of the row, like in here, for example. For this special case, we add the % and the white space. And now we are ready to run this query. We successfully solved this problem in SQL. Let's move on to Pandas. In Pandas, we can use Regex to handle this pattern matching cleanly. And we check if the string contains the following patterns. Here we type in the Regex expression. We copy the prefix that we are looking for, and in the beginning we specify what is allowed. A hat sign stands for the beginning and the S stands for white space. This ensures that the prefix DIAB1 is either the very first characters in the string or it is preceded immediately by a white space. We will save this into the variable result. And now we are ready to return the result. And we successfully solved this problem in Pandas. Which syntax did you prefer for this specific problem? The SQL-like operator or Pandas Regex? Let me know in the comments.